What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today's gonna be a makeup and fashion haul, some things that I got for Christmas, gift cards that I used, and some things that I bought. I have a lot and I'm really excited. First thing on the agenda is the new food service I've been using called Home Chef. It's been such a lifesaver for really busy nights because it's super convenient, it's easy, and the food comes right to your door. Probably the main thing I love about this service is how convenient it is. I don't mind cooking, but where this comes in handy is if I don't have a set recipe or a menu for the week, I'm not very creative when it comes to trying to figure out spices and ingredients and kind of just coming up with stuff. The guests work out for you. If you are a working parent, if you have really busy sports nights like I do, and if I can't figure out something, I'll usually just do spaghetti. And what's really cool about this is that it comes with all the ingredients. It comes with like a step-by-step recipe that is really easy to follow. The food options are really healthy and it's not expensive. The meals start around $7 a person, and that's cheaper than fast food these days. It's cheaper than going out. And this is just the convenience factor of knowing that I'm gonna meal plan for the entire week without like racking my brain on Pinterest trying to figure out stuff that my kids are gonna like. My kids actually like this stuff. It's super healthy. You can choose from different options. You can pick your menu, which is really nice, and you can kind of customize it of how often you want your meals to come to you. So I have a $30 off your first meal coupon code for you and link, which I will put below. You're recipe challenged like I am. This is like an amazing service. Sorry, I had to like take my hair out because I felt like I looked too plastic. Should I start out with makeup? Came out with like these monochrome collection. It came out with eyeshadows and some blushes. Of course, I went the Velvet Teddy route because that is one of my favorite nudes of all time. And I got the first thing I got was a blush, and this is called Sir. This is like a really nice plummy shade. That is Sir, and that took a lot of building up, so the color's not gonna be that intense. So you can build up the color, which is really nice. That's why I like the satin formula. Wait a minute, this is not satin, I think it's a matte. What am I talking about? I think I'm talking about the lipstick that I'm wearing. And then I got Soft Teddy Matte Eyeshadow. And this just came really dusty. Like I actually thought it was gonna be broken, but it's not. Ooh, that's so pretty. So Soft Teddy is just that shade right there. And then Dear Teddy, and this is a frost. That is a matte. Just all these three with the Velvet Teddy. And I already have Velvet Teddy, so I did not get that lipstick. But there's like some other eyeshadows that I want to test out. The blushes were way too in your face for my taste. There's definitely some other blushes that I want to try that I've been dying to try. And then I got a YSL lipstick. These are amazing. These are the Oil and Stick. I love tints, but the problem with tints is that they have a tendency to be very drying. This is like a tint that lasts all day long, but then your lips are like juicy and plump, and they're just pretty badass. The shade 52, Trapeze Pink. I like that color. It's like a bubble gummy color, and that's the perfect pink coming into spring. I think that's gonna be really pretty, and I love the way that the YSL lipsticks smell. It's kind of like this citrusy scent. All about that citrus life. And then I wanted to try out the Charlotte Tilbury Contour Wand. Michelle Wang talk about, I saw Michelle Wang talk about this, and then I was asking her if it's worth it. She said yes, and I got the light to medium shade. I'm not really crazy about this packaging because I just feel like nothing comes out. Like I feel like there's such little product in here. Oh, that was so much. Okay, so that's the shade right there. That's like 3 times the amount that you need probably for every single time you use this product. Oh, so then I guess you can close it like this. Oh my gosh, I've got contour all over me. Saw this on Neiman Marcus, and this was like a really cute deal. I love his nail polishes, even though I have gel right now. And this comes with 2, Lapse of Luxury and Plum Fiction, which I think they're both really pretty colors. You could even use it on your feet or on your toes. So that's a Lapse of Luxury, and that is This is like the plum color thing. And then Givenchy sent me these two products, and I think this is because of the Chinese New Year. Oh, I hope I'm not wrong about that. I could be completely wrong. I am. But it comes with the powder. I love this powder. It's a correcting powder. It has different tones here to just be perfected on the face. So definitely really nice. They have sent me a couple of these, and I gave one to my mom, and she really liked it as well. And then they sent this, which is the Rouge Fetiche. Let's say just Rouge Fetish, because we all have them, boo. Gorgeous color. I love reds like this. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to wear that. I just feel like, I always say warm reds look good on everybody. It's almost like so eye-catching that you just want to know what they're wearing on their lips. Unlike this porn star lip color that I'm wearing, I feel like it doesn't look very good on me, but we're just gonna roll with it. And then Anthropologie was having like a 30% off sale, and I got two things. I purchased this large candle, and this is the volcano scent. I think it's their most popular scent, and if you've never smelled it before, there's no way on earth that you couldn't like it. It's just like, it smells like oranges. It's very citrusy and fresh. So I'm gonna save this and burn this in the back later when it's a little bit more springy out. A cruelty-free vegan makeup brush set. That is the brand. And it comes with a pouch like this. And I just thought that this would be a really fun brush set to try out. And honestly, it was not that expensive. And these are all vegan brushes. So, oh my gosh, it's so soft, so soft. I wonder how it performs on the face, but all of them are this really, really soft brushes. This is a Set and Go brush. Then just a couple of other ones. I won't use this. I don't like cheek brushes like that. I just don't feel like they do a very good job of putting cheek. Maybe I could use it as a highlight. Maybe that's what I'll do, or I'll give it to one of my sisters. Top from Daydream. It's got Ice Cube on it, and I thought it was Dr. Dre. This entire time I was wearing this top, I thought it was Dr. Dre. And it says Ice Cube right here. I didn't even read it. I thought that was like one of those advisory signs. This one, and this is gorgeous. This is from Bailey 44, so it's a little bit pricier, but I love the sleeves. They're kind of like longer see-through sleeves. And I don't know, I just thought that was really cute as well. Then I got two pairs of jeans, both on the opposite end of the price spectrum. These are from Frame, and these are incredibly cute. I just love how they are super distressed at the knee. And they're cropped. They come in that stretchy fabric, so it's gonna be really flattering. These sit higher up on the butt. We said skinny jeans, so I like those. And then I want to try these out from Express. These are the ankle high rise, and basically the same thing, but for like a fraction of the cost. They're a little bit longer, frayed edges, and these are really flattering too. They're some of my favorite jeans that are affordable end next to the American Eagle. They've got great jeans as well. So Rebecca Minkoff is like one of my favorite designers for purses. I just really feel like they're affordable and they last a good amount of time. So I got this one because the color I'm obsessed with. It's like this really light, almost purpley gray, and the hardware is this smoky gunmetal. You could choose between that and I think it was like an antique silver, but I prefer the smoky gunmetal. I just think it's like I don't know. I really like this combination, and I love these purses. I got a pair of Uggs, and I saw my sister wear these, and so I was like, ooh, I kind of want those too. I liked the super mini short, kind of looks like a slipper type look, and this is what these look like. And I like the chestnut color. Chestnut is really fun. You always go a size down in these. I'm a size 8, and I think they are just super cute. Mr. Steve Madden, I got some really affordable thigh-high boots that I've been wanting. I think they were like $60. I don't know if they were having a super sale, but these are a dupe for like the $800 boots that I would never purchase. I would if I was like a billionaire, but the heel isn't as tall, but look how freaking long and stretchy these bad boys are. I love the smell of new shoes. The material is super stretchy, so it's gonna, I think, be very forgiving on, you know, different sizes of people. And I like these. So yeah, I got those because I want to wear them with some pleather leggings. Yes, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will put the link below to the Home Chef. You guys need to check it out. It's such a great option. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time.